New Zealand slang. Chirp. It's widely considered to be a shortening of the word cheers. It can be used as a greeting, or as goodbye and to say thanks. Sweet as. This means okay, good, or wonderful. Yeah nah. A way of saying yes you understand, but no you don't want something or don't agree. BYO. It means bring your own. Beached as. Used in any case where someone or something is stuck, exceptionally large or obese. Bugger. When something goes wrong, an annoying or troublesome thing. Doing all right. It's intended as a general check-in to make sure the other person is okay. Keen. It means very interested, eager, or wanting to do something very much. Passed out. This refers to someone falling asleep. To lose consciousness, or faint. Arvo. Short for afternoon. No worries. It means no problem or you're welcome. Tiki tour. When you take the scenic route or long way to get to a destination. Bloody. Means something like very. A common way used to question something, or added to the end of a sentence when you want something to confirm what you're thinking. Skux. A guy who's good with women. Batch. A word for a beach house, usually a second or holiday home. Wops. A place that is far from towns and cities. Stink one. A bad smell. To be of low standard or quality, be no good. Heaps. Means a lot. A great quantity or number. Choice. This is similar words like sweet, awesome, sensational. Turps. Any alcoholic drink. Yarn. Means a story or tale. Good as gold. Means very kind and good nature. Completely genuine. Thank you for watching.